Hey Alex, I hope you are doing well. So, I'm sending this zip file to you. Our bot is ready. And to run this bot on your Windows PC, follow these steps. Extract this folder. Okay, now if you want to install this bot on your PC, then you can by this file setup.exe. And if you want to run without installing on your PC, then follow these steps. And every time you have to run this file. This is .exe file, and then you just need to click start. Okay, here you have to strictly follow this message. It is saying that apply your custom search parameters, then click me OK. So as you said that uh, you want the access to apply the custom filters here, so you can apply any custom filters like I'm doing right now. Okay, after applying all the filters, just click this message OK. And now keep patience, because it takes some time to load all the records. Every time it will set this ratio to 500, so you don't need to set this ratio every time. Okay, there are 54,677 results. Okay, scrapping is started, as you can watch. Now there are a lot of features in this board. Let me show you. In every column you can apply the count bar like this. Okay, and here you can apply your custom filters like we do in the databases or in Excel spreadsheets. Okay, and then there is also a search bar, a panel, find panel. Here you can find anything, like you want to uh, get the records from specific date, like I'm doing for 12 5 2019. So these all the records are according to this date, and if you want to export your this filtered records, then just click this button, export, and your file is ready. Scrapping is still running in the background. You see, these are the filtered results. Now if you want to close this, then close like this. And now if you want to again export all the results in a separate spreadsheet, then again click export button, and it will generate a new file. You can see here. Okay, there are 55 results. Okay, it will scrap all the records that are showing here, like 554,000 and blah blah. So I hope you will like my efforts. Thank you so much. Take care, please.